Here's a look at today's assignment. The learning targets are: I understand that ratios can be used to enlarge and reduce figures while keeping the same shape. I can enlarge and reduce a shape by multiplying all sides of a shape by the same number. I can describe how an image has been enlarged or reduced correctly. The first couple slides are model slides, which means we're going to work on those together as a class. The ones that say you do this slide, those are the ones that you have to do. So this square or this rectangle right here is 5 by 4, and you have to enlarge it by 4 times. So you're going to multiply 5 by 4 to see what to make the sides going up and down, and then you'll multiply 4 by 4 for the two sides that are going back and forth. And you'll redraw it over here. Then you'll enlarge this one by 2 times, 5 by 2, and you'll enlarge by 2. There is a challenge slide. It's optional. This one is 6 by 4, and you have to enlarge it by 2.5 times. So we're throwing a fraction in there.